Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and today we're going to do a dive into the parking lot sale. We're going to look at the best pliers and screwdrivers to get, and we'll just do a little bit of a deep dive. But before we jump in, if you find this useful, please consider liking or subscribing. Hype up the video if you can. Parking lot sale is October 6th. And then just a friendly reminder, we didn't go over the deal of the day 9. But did anybody get the Black Widow professional gravity feed spray guns? $80 off, ridiculous deal today. And then tomorrow, of course, 20% off all gas Predator generators, which we've seen a similar deal before. It was actually 25% off. So I wasn't as excited about this, but if you're in the market for a generator, 20% off is decent. And then just a quick note, I've seen a few people mention that they've bought these. The new Icon Master Technician Premium gloves are out in stock. Who's excited about these? Icon alert, $25. $25, a little bit pricey, but looks like you can become a Sith Lord with these. Anyways, thought this was cool. These are out now. But our focus today is 35% off all pliers and screwdrivers. I feel like they're making updates to this ad. Still not clickable. Takes me here to nothing is found. So we've done our best to look up all pliers and screwdrivers, but just know, take this with a grain of salt. It's not what the ad is linking to. It's just us looking up the items. So some of them might not qualify. Anyways, right off the bat, we have some pliers sets, which we're going to assume are going to be part of the deal, since it does say all pliers and screwdrivers, Bremen, Doyle, Icon, Pittsburgh, and Quinn, excluding bolt cutters. So if I mention a bolt cutter, just know it's actually excluded. But we've mentioned these for a bit. The Icon quarter turn convertible retaining ring pliers, 6-piece. They're already on clearance. I don't know if they're working on some new retaining ring pliers, but they're already down. I think it's 20% as of maybe a month ago. But you get an extra 35% off on these. You get them for $52. So less than $10 per plier, which seems like a really good deal. The deal will stack with clearance. Then you have the Icon Precision Snap Ring Pliers, 8-piece at $72. $73, let's call it what it is. 35% off, you're gonna get it for $47, just over $47. So saving about $25 there. Then we have this Pittsburgh hydraulic wire crimping tool at $70. I save just under $25, about just over $20. So get that for less than $50. And then you have the Icon alert again. More snap ring pliers, 4-piece, $44, $45. And at 35% off, you're getting them 35% off. You're getting them for sub $30. Save $16 essentially, almost $16. So good Icon. Icon tend to be the more pricey ones, because so far we've had only one Pittsburgh. So we're going through the Icon ones. Great sets of Icon pliers here. The S-Jaw Quick Adjust at $42. Get that down to $27.30. So save also about $15 there. And it's going to be similar for the 10-inch pliers wrench. Almost $15 savings for the 17-inch S-Jaw Quick Adjust. So this is similar to this, but just a little bit. It's a 17 versus the 21-inch at $32. Getting it for $20.80. So almost $12, $11 of savings. The 6-inch flush cut pliers at $30. Similar, you're going to save close to just over $10. So instead of $30, it'll be about $20. And here we got our first Doyle. And if you were patient, we're now getting 35% off all Doyle pliers and screwdrivers. And these are available in 5 different sizes. This is the 20-inch, available in 16, 10, down to 8 inches, down at $10. Here, save $3.50. That's easy math. And actually, technically, this is 3 times the price, so 3 times the savings. Just over $10 savings. So get the 20-inch for about $20. So $1 per inch. And then, of course, followed by more Icon here. The 11-inch leverage diagonal cutter. 12-inch external straight precision snap ring pliers, $30. Icon 12-inch internal straight precision snap ring pliers, all $30. So including this Doyle. which we already did, but getting them for $19.50. So just over $10 savings, basically getting them all for $10 off, $20. And of course we have the Icon 9-inch long nose slip joint pliers. At $28, you're getting them down to $18, so still $10 savings essentially. Get them down to $18. Same thing here. It is a current ITC deal, but cheaper during the parking lot sale at $18. Same for the Quinn long reach universal hose clamp pliers. Fascinating looking pliers here for $18. Seems like an excellent deal. And then here, a bargain. Assuming sets are included. And these actually, as I'm thinking of it, these diagonal cutters might not be included. Although this flush cut pliers is considered a plier. So we'll see. Quinn plier set 4-piece at $25. Getting it for 35% off. Getting it down to $16. So almost $10 off. Basically $9 off for a 4-piece set. About $4 per plier. And it's Quinn. So Quinn is super, super solid. Then you have these Doyle 12-inch fast adjust water pump pliers. Precision engineered. $25. Available in 12, 10, and 8 inches. We'll just go off of the 12 though here. $25. And it'll be the same thing as the other one, $16.25. You save almost $10 on that. And we can't go through them all, but we'll do some rapid fire here. Oh, can't miss the adjustable soft jaw pliers. I feel like these come in super handy for some specific jobs where you need some, we have some delicate connections that maybe you don't want to scuff. $25, same thing, $16.25. Bremen clamp, our first Bremen alert. 18-inch C-clamp locking pliers, $25, same thing, save up almost about $9. Doyle heavy-duty stripper and cutter, gonna save close to $8. Then we have the Doyle, same as above, the fast adjust water, 3 sizes. Icon 8-inch fast adjust push button slip joint pliers. That's pretty neat. Convenience of a push button adjustment with 5 different locks. $21 and 35% off, getting it down to $14.30. So save about $8, still around the $21 price level. Same thing for this 8-inch hose grip pliers from Icon. Doyle Electricians multi-purpose pliers, save $8. $8 across the board here. 9.5-inch high leverage linesman pliers with crimping tool, little double. The 11-inch long reach needle nose pliers from Icon. The 12-inch S-jaw. And the list goes on. We'll focus on this Pittsburgh here, because it's a pliers set for $20. Save $7. So get this for $12.50 roughly. Or for $12, 5-piece. If you just need a solid general purpose pliers set, this is not too bad. Could do worse. More Icon 8-inch needle nose pliers and 3-position slip joint pliers. The last of the Doyle, the 8-inch, 7-inch diagonal cutters. We're just on page 1. What a smorgasbord. I don't think we've seen any Quinn. And here we are, our first Quinn 8-inch self-adjusting wire stripper for $20. Save $7. Get it down to $13. Heavy-duty end nipper to nip the nips. 14-inch, $19. Probably save just under $8. Some watch link remover pliers. Interesting, it says pliers, so likely, hopefully it's part of the set. Tongue and groove joint pliers set, 4-piece at $17. Get that down to $11. Save $6, almost $7 still of savings. Holt Industries not included. Another heavy duty end nipper at 10 inches. The Quinn long reach compound joint pliers at $15. Get that sub $10. Save $6 on the Quinn 13-inch long nose. The long reach compound joint pliers. Pittsburgh's pliers set, 6-piece. Same thing. Get that sub $10 for 6 pieces. Safety wire twisting pliers. That's different. $15. Save $6. Here comes Bremen with the clamps. They have an assortment of clamp locking pliers. pistol grip self-adjusting wire stripper and cutter, some Pittsburgh nippers, Pittsburgh long reach hose grip pliers, 14 bucks, save probably about 5 bucks. And I think you might get the picture. Bremen's coming into the picture here though, actually, with their jaw locking pliers, 14 bucks, 10 inches. And at $14. Yeah, save 5 bucks. 16-inch long reach plier set, 2-piece, 13 bucks. Same thing, save about $4 or $5. Clamps, and we're just gonna do what now we're gonna do. We're gonna do some drive by just to see what we're missing. Pittsburgh curve law jocking pliers, 6-piece precision plier set from Pittsburgh for 12 bucks. Are you kidding me? They offer everything. Doyle 3-piece precision pliers, radiator hose pinch off pliers, Quinn linesman pliers, Pittsburgh reach pliers, and the lists go on and on and on. Some icon looking Pittsburghs, 3-piece slip joint pliers, tweezer pliers. And now we got Quinn in Pittsburgh running the show. And then this one, actually, I failed to look at it, and we might take a look. Pittsburgh instant savings already, $5, already almost 40% off, 39% off. Get an extra 35% off of this Pittsburgh oil filter pliers. Steal of a deal. Get it for $3.25. Nuts. And I think we've done it. We've done it with pliers. Let's just look at the page 5 since we're almost here. What possible pliers are available for clearance prices? 6.5-inch wire strippers with pressure adjustment and 7.5-inch hog ring pliers. Let's go on to screwdrivers. And now I've sorted out by Pittsburgh Doyle, Icon, Quinn, and Pittsburgh Pro. But just as a note again, some of these might not be included because here is a socket and bit set, but it has some screwdriver bits. So it might be pulling screwdriver bits. So I'm going to skip over the socket set. We have this Quinn Precision Torque screwdriver set, which would be pretty cool if it was included. At 80 bucks, pretty pricey, but for 35% off, getting towards a steal of a deal, $52. If this torque 10 to 50 inch-pound adjustable 1 inch-pound increments, maximum precision, if that was available. Icon Professional Mechanics screwdriver set, 8-piece, 50 bucks. And at 35% off, getting it for 32 bucks. Heavy duty impact screwdriver kit from Quinn. Skip the flex head ratchet bit set. We have these Icon metric and SAE nut drivers. Now they're nut drivers, not screwdrivers. So I'm going to skip over those. Comfort Grip screwdriver set, 70-piece. So this is a screwdriver set, and at 30 bucks, 35%, getting it for 20 bucks, less than 20 bucks for this 70-piece screwdriver set. Some every screwdriver type that you can think of. I mean, you don't need, and some picks. If this is part of it, what a deal. You'll get this for, what is that? $20, save about 10 bucks at that $30 price point. Great deal. Then we have these Quinn premium screwdriver sets, 15-piece at 28 bucks. It's saving $10. So saving 10 bucks, and you have Doyle, which don't ignore Doyle, the heavy duty screwdriver 6-piece at 25 bucks. Get those for about $9 off. About $8 off the Cushing grip screwdriver piece set, 7 pieces. So get that for about 15 bucks. And then the all popular diamond screwdrivers, diamond tip screwdrivers from Quinn, 17 bucks, already a deal. But get them for 35% off, get them for $11. These are some of the fan favorites when it comes to screwdrivers. Doyle's multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver set, the mini screwdrivers. Oh, this one is excellent compared to Wera. Can't go wrong. This is the time to get this one at 15 bucks, but you're saving 35%, sub 10 bucks. $9.75. Great deal on that precision screwdriver set. We got the professional mini torque screwdriver set, 4-piece. Doyle's new conduit fitting reaming screwdriver. This Pittsburgh bolstered screwdriver set, 8-piece. Perfect for almost any project. Pittsburgh ratcheting screwdriver set, 26-piece. This Pittsburgh 22-piece for $12. These crazy long 22-inch long reach screwdrivers for two-piece for $12. Electrician screwdriver set from Pittsburgh, interesting, 7-piece, $12. Some demolition screwdrivers from Doyle. Heavy duty striking caps for $10, save $3.50. And just as anything else, the Pittsburgh multi-bit precision screwdriver set, save $3.50. Some long reach from Pittsburgh. 1,000-volt insulated screwdrivers from Doyle. And the list goes on and on. These Pittsburgh precision electrical screwdriver set. Cushion grips. The mini Doyle stubby. Pittsburgh precision screwdriver set. Premium screwdriver 2-set, 2-piece from Quinn. And I will leave it at that. We've gone through a little bit of a marathon. Those are the screwdrivers and pliers during this upcoming parking lot sale starting October 6th. Which one of those that we went over are you going to get? A lot of great options for screwdrivers. An infinite amount, it seemed like, of options for pliers. What are you thinking? Let me know. How has your planning been going? Either way, good luck out there. Happy harbor freighting. Happy shopping. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.